Alright, so first thing I want to say is that this clip system sucks something fierce. He took a perfectly good product, nothing wrong with it, and just started adding all this unnecessary crap to it. I mean, anytime you want to add a kickstand to a goddamn holster, I mean, that's like going to the extreme. That doesn't make any sense at all. But this is more trouble than it's worth. It sucks big horse balls, and I wouldn't trade it in for the world to have my system upgraded to this piece of crap clip system. Let me tell you something. First off, you gotta fidget. When you got your pants, nobody wears their belt tight, loose around their waist. It's tight, right? So not only are you fidgeting to get this up in your thing, but if you got a beer belly, then you can't even look. Because what happens is, when you putting this through your belt thing, if it's tight, you see how much you gotta pull out your belt just to get it behind it. It's a lot, especially if you wear your belt tight. Not to mention, when you close this thing, you see how it clips in? Yeah, it might seem simple, but don't you believe it. This thing, your clothes, anything, your underwear, anything, get caught in that. It's almost impossible to move this and expect for it to come out. So now you're fidgeting because you got a piece of clothing material inside there. And you're fidgeting to get that done. You're fidgeting to bring it through your belt. It's a lot easier to just slide your belt through the loop like the old-fashioned way, which was nothing wrong. If it ain't broke, goddamn it, don't fix it. So, man, I wouldn't wish this on my worst enemy, this clip system. But then again, size-wise, it's nice. But this clip system sucks big moose balls. I gotta tell you, it is really, really pointless. But that's pretty much it. That's all I wanted to say and give an update on this. I will continue to wear it, but only if I'm going to be on a job for more than a few minutes. To make quick work of it and put this on the route work. Maybe other guys don't struggle, but I struggle with this thing because it's not easy as just opening this up, right? Opening this up and sticking this through the belt and then closing it. It's not as quick as you would think. I could put my belt on 4 times the amount of time it takes for me to fidget with this, to put it on and put it off. But all right, Macafracker, let's go in here and do this house today.